In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off touch accommodations on your iPhone. Touch accommodations is a feature that can change how the screen responds when you tap, swipe, or use other gestures on your device. Sometimes, you might want to turn off this feature if it's causing any issues or if you no longer need it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Tap on it. After that, scroll down again and tap where it says Touch. And then tap Touch Accommodations. To turn off touch accommodations on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.